Hello students, welcome to our English learning story. Today you will learn English step by step. Listen carefully. Repeat loudly. Do not be shy. Let us start part 1, A Small Dream. This is the story of a boy named Ali. Ali lived in a small town. He was a good boy, but he could not speak English. In school, the teacher spoke English. Ali felt nervous. He stayed quiet. His friend Ahmed spoke a little English. Ali asked him, "Ahmed, how did you learn English?" Ahmed said, "I practiced every day, just 10 minutes. That night, Ali made a promise. I will learn English. I will not give up." Pause. Repeat after me. I will learn English. I will not give up. Part 2, First Words. The next day, Ali opened his book. He read 3 sentences. "Hello, how are you?" "I am fine." Ali stood in front of a mirror. He spoke slowly. "Hello, my name is Ali." Again. "Hello, my name is Ali." Again. "Hello, my name is Ali." His mother smiled and said, "Good job, Ali. Keep practicing." Repeat after me. My name is Janamak. I am a student. I live in a town. Part 3, First Success. One day in class, the teacher asked, "What is your name?" Ali was afraid, but he remembered his practice. He said, "My name is Ali." The teacher smiled. "Very good." Ali felt happy. He learned something important. Small practice gives big confidence. Say this with me. I can speak English. I can learn English. Part 4, Daily Practice. Ali made a daily routine. Morning practice, evening practice. Every morning he said 5 sentences. Every evening he learned 5 new words. He wrote in a notebook. Today I woke up early. Today I studied English. Today I helped my mother. Students, repeat after me. Today I studied English. Today I learned new words. Today I spoke English. Part 5, First Conversation. Ali went to a shop. He was nervous, but he tried. He said, "Uncle, please give me water." The shopkeeper smiled. "Your English is good." Ali was very happy. He understood something new. Practice in real life is powerful. Repeat after me. Please give me water. I want tea. How much is this? Thank you. Part 6, Learning from Mistakes. One day, Ali said, "I am go school." The teacher said kindly, "Say, I go to school." Ali smiled. He was not sad. He wrote the correct sentence. He practiced again. Students, listen carefully. Mistakes are teachers. Mistakes help us learn. Do not be afraid of mistakes. Repeat after me. I go to school. I eat food. I play football. Part 7, Talking with Friends. Ali and Ahmed made a rule. 10 minutes of English every day. Ahmed asked, "What are you doing?" Ali answered, "I am studying." Ahmed asked, "Where do you live?" Ali answered, "I live in Lahore." Students, now you speak. What is your name? Where do you live? What are you doing? Part 8, Learning with Videos. Ali watched English cartoons. At first, he understood nothing. Then he turned on subtitles. He watched slowly. He listened again. After 1 month, he understood many words. After 3 months, he spoke simple sentences. Students, remember? Listen every day. Watch every day. Speak every day. Read every day. Consistency is success. Part 9, Classroom English. Ali learned useful classroom sentences. He said, "May I come in? May I go out? Please repeat. I do not understand. Thank you, teacher." Students, repeat loudly. May I come in? May I go out? I do not understand. Please help me. Part 10, Level 2. Students 6 months later, Ali spoke better English. He could talk about his dreams. He said, "I want to become a doctor. I will help people. I will study hard." Everyone was surprised. They asked his secret. Ali said, "My secret is simple. Daily practice. Repeat after me. I will study hard. I will speak English. I will achieve my dream." Part 11. Past and Future. Ali learned past tense. I went to school. I ate food. I watched a movie. Ali learned future tense. I will learn English. I will read books. I will get a good job. Students, repeat slowly. I went to school. I ate food. I will learn English. I will get a job. Part 12. 10 years later. 10 years later, Ali became an English teacher. He stood in front of his students and said, "I was weak in English. I made many mistakes, but I practiced every day. Practice changed my life." Students listened with hope. Ali said, "You can do it too. Repeat after me. I can do it. I will not stop. I will learn English." Dear students, English is not magic. English is a skill, like walking, like cycling, like swimming. Practice every day and you will improve. Do not wait for tomorrow. Start today. Speak today. Learn today. Grow today. Say with me 3 times. I will learn English. I will learn English. I will learn English. Thank you for listening. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.